Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings and go straight to General, then iPhone Storage. This reveals any downloaded update bundle. Tap the iOS 26 or Software Update entry to inspect size. It usually shows multiple GB. Once you confirm it's the OTA file, choose Delete Update. This removes the downloaded installer, but not an installed OS. Make sure you have a recent iCloud or local backup before proceeding, because deleting only removes the download, not an installed firmware version. After you tap Delete Update, confirm the action so iOS clears the OTA files from storage. This often frees multiple gigabytes. Once done, make sure the update won't reappear by removing any beta or configuration profile in General VPN and Device Management. Remove profile and reboot. Rebooting forces the system to refresh its update index. Then check Settings Software Update if it still shows. You either have an installed OS or the update will redownload. So stop any automatic download. If Delete Update is grayed out or the update is already installed, you must use a Mac or PC to change firmware, connect the iPhone, open Finder or iTunes, and choose Restore iPhone to reinstall a different IPSWA or factory image. For stubborn cases, enter DFU mode to force a full firmware restore. This erases device data, so rely on your backup. If errors occur, reboot, swap cables or ports, and make sure your computer's OS is up to date. Visit Apple support when hardware or activation locks block progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.